CA. My topic is Split and Aggregated Transmission Control Protocol for Smart Power Grid. It's totally based on upgrading intermediate devices. See, in my project, the abstract is going to be tell about the SA-TCP performance in a smart metering infrastructure. That is totally based on that smart meters. Its smart meter is a large amount of the meters which contain more than the 200 plus meters. Aggregators, the SA-TCP aggregators collect the data packet from the certain region over the TCP connections. In that, the TCP connection is two-way connection establishment. In one connection, TCP connection with smart metering infrastructure, and another end is TCP connection with utility server. The TCP with the smart meter can be used for receiving the data, and the other end TCP, the utility server, used to transmit the data from client side, from server to destinations. So that by using the SA-TCP, that SMI, to respond the better data traffic, it can make a TCP congestion control more effective and more powerful, so that there is no packet losses and delay. This is the main concept of in this project. Existing system. In our existing system, flooding time synchronization protocol was introduced to achieve the time synchronization. It can make so many problems, that is slow flooding, decreases synchronization accuracy. So that this is the biggest disadvantage in this system. To overcome this, we have to introduce in our proposed system some protocol. Transmission of the sensor node need to be scheduled, so that the waiting time of the each node will be very high. The packet loss rate and the packet delay of the each node will be very higher. So there is no time accurate in this existing system. To overcome this all the problems, we are introducing flooding with clock speed algorithm introduced to overcome the problem. So the clock speed algorithm, what we can do in the sense, all the nodes can run in the same speed, so that there is no packet losses and no packet delay. It can reduce the slow flooding, achieve the accurate time synchronization. We can receive the data at perfect time synchronizations. Advantages: clock speed agreement optimize the synchronization error. That means proposed clock speed agreement to force all the nodes run in the same speed, so that the FCSA utilize the flooding together with the clock speed agreement in order to optimize the synchronization error between the reference node and the other node in the network, reducing undesired effects of slow flooding. So slow flooding is the main disadvantage of the existing system. To overcome by using that smart metering infrastructure, the protocol, we can reduce the slow flooding, so that the data can be receiving in the particular time and perfect time. Performance of the time synchronization is very accurate. System requirements. Our hardware requirements are Pentium 4 120 GB and optimal. Software requirements is front-end Java, JSP, application servers, backend is MySQL. Select the project. In that, the split is my project. In that, select the source packages. Under that, we have a lot of packages. Select enabling. Under that, the lot of packages, that is file access, file security, home images, lot of files is under that Anika enabling. First, I have to choose home.java. Give a right click and run the home.java package. It will show the home page of split and aggregated transmission control protocol for smart power grid. This is there is a four process. The first one is file access client, second one is file split, key generation, and then finally file security. First, I have to choose file access client. That is, that file access client, I have to choose any file from our systems. That first I have to choose a browse files. It will show some this page, and in that I can choose any of the files. That is my folder movie, and this is a document file. then give a open, so automatically it will display here, and I had chosen my document files. This is the process of file access client. And the second step is file split, that is give file split options, the number of split, that is user wish, whether it may be a 20, 50, 100 or 10. I have to give number of split as 5 packages. So then give and then give the split options. It will show file splitter successfully, check your package command box. So and then give a OK. The user want to display a file, that original file, in the sense we can choose a display file. It will show at a few seconds, it will show them encrypted files, that is the third party persons didn't show the original files. This is the major advantage of this project. So almost the second process is got over here. This is the second process of this my project. And the third one is key generation. After splitting this total project, we have to do the key generation. Choose the key generation. It will show the like command here. After that key generation, we can show the files. Okay, the show options. It will show that 5 encrypted keys. This is the key for my packages. Then final last step is file security. File security is the encryption process, that is process view file, store and show. The process, suppose I have to give the process option, click the process. The project can be processed here, and almost the process going to be done. The encryption is completed. After encryption completed, give OK. The first process is completed. And then view file. If you want to view file, in the sense click the view file and then store. Afterwards show and view file is almost the same. Want to store the file, in the sense give store options. The file can be saved here. View file is give a view file options. After viewing the file, it will show like this. It will show the original content of this file, that is package and again input Java. This is the original code of this file. So that this is the total process of my project. So process is encrypted process completed. View file is we can see here, and store is always it's saved. Then show also shows the final step of this project. In that we have under that three options, that is original files, encrypted file, key files. Original file is like this is an encrypted file, and then keys. We can see the keys and we can see the original file. So this is my total project, and thank you so much.